Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm just going to show you the trade that I'm in, which is V75S, and yeah, why I'm in it. So we are going to start with the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, you can clearly see that there's a reversal in inverted hammer, which is a reversal candlestick. But as you can see, there's no a sufficient support and resistance area, because the actual support and resistance area is around this area, right? So we can clearly see that our previous three candlesticks, the first one, the second one, and then the third one, was a bullish candlestick, which is indicating now that the buyers are in power, right? And it's creating lower lows and lower highs. So I then ignored this and said that, okay, it's a bullish inverted diamond, but there's no support and resistance that is making it get respected. So that's when I said, okay, let me get down into the smaller time frames to see if it's going to respect it going down or if it's going to continue going upwards. So let's go to the daily time frame. And then in the daily time frame, you can clearly see that there's some friction that is happening, but I'm still on a bullish move. And let's go to the H4 time frame, and I'm going to try and explain more. So in the H1 time frame, you can clearly see that it has been creating lower highs and lower lows, right? Yeah, which means that the buyers in the H1 time frame are bullish. Let me just fix this. How do I fix it? I'll fix it later. So you can clearly see that the buyers are now in power. Why? Because they're creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So it's in a bullish move. So if we go to the smaller time frame, you can clearly see that here it was creating lower highs and lower lows. You understand? But now it's about to change. But me, when I took this setup, I took it in the M1 time frame. Why? Because it's a bullish flag, and you can see there was a strong impulse, and then there was correction, right? And then at the bottom here, you can clearly see that there was a breakout here, around this area. Let me just try to click this. What's happening? Yeah. Understand? So it was going on a downtrend, and then afterwards, I waited for it to first change the trend, and then break out from this previous high, and then right now we're in profit. Understand? And we're expecting it to reach at least this area of support and resistance. So my stop loss is just, I'm going to place it down here, and then my TP, I'm going to place it up here. Understand? So basically it's just a bullish flag, because you can see there's a nice bullish momentum, and then this correction, so we're expecting an impulsive move going to the uptrend. Understand? But if you want to trade safe, our first take profit will be around here, then our second take profit will be around this area, and our trade will be done. So yeah, B75 is bullish, and it's now on an uptrend in the H1, and in the smaller time frame. Thank you.